In today's video, we'll be looking at electromagnetic wave spectrum. Electromagnetic wave is a wave that consists of oscillating electric and magnetic field. Note, it comprises electric and magnetic field. They do not require material medium and can travel through a vacuum such as the outer space. They can travel through a vacuum. Properties of electromagnetic wave is number 1, travel at a speed of light, which is approximately 3 times 10 raised to the power 8 meters per second. Take note of this. And also, they can travel through a vacuum. 2, they are transverse wave. 3, they carry energy from one place to another. 4, produced by accelerating electric charge. 5. So these are 5 properties of electromagnetic wave. There are other properties of electromagnetic wave that we'll be considering just these 5 in today's class. Now, another thing you should know about electromagnetic wave is that the relationship of speed, wave, frequency, and length, they are given in one particular equation, which I'm going to be writing here. The equation is C is equal to frequency times lambda. C is equal to the frequency times lambda, where C is the speed of light, and F is the frequencies, lambda is the wavelength. So therefore, this equation here is used in calculating the frequency, is also used in calculating the wavelength of an electromagnetic wave. We all know that our C is constant when solving this, which is 3 times 10 raised to the power of 8 meters per second. So therefore, we are going to be looking at electromagnetic spectrum and their wavelengths. Electromagnetic spectrum is the complete range of electromagnetic wave arranged according to their frequency or their wavelengths. Take note. So therefore, if you have the infrared, we have a particular wavelength for it. If we have the microwave, we have a particular wavelength for it. If you have the radio and TV wave, we have a particular wavelength for it. So we'll be looking at the wavelength of each of them, and we'll be stating their wavelengths from one point to the other. Then we'll solve problem on wavelength and frequency of electromagnetic spectrum. So for example, the infrared radiation ranges from 700 nanometer to 1 millimeter. The microwave ranges from 1 meter to 15 centimeter. The TV and radio wavelength ranges from 15 centimeter to 200 meter. So I'll be dropping a table of all the electromagnetic spectrum and their wavelengths. So we'll use that to know their wavelength. For this is the table that comprises all the wavelengths and frequency of electromagnetic wave. For radio, you can see that it's from 10 raised to the power of 3 to 10 raised to the power of minus 1. That's the wavelength for radio. For microwave, you can see it's 10 raised to the power of minus 1 to 10 raised to the power of minus 3. For infrared radiation, it's 10 raised to the power of minus 4 to 10 raised to the power of minus 6. This is the table that comprises of all the wavelength and the frequency. Below, we have the frequency of electromagnetic spectrum. We'll be looking at calculation in electromagnetic spectrum and in electromagnetic wave. How to calculate their frequency and how to calculate their wavelength. Question number 1. An electromagnetic wave has a frequency of 6 times 10 raised to the power 8 Hz. Calculate the wavelength in vacuum. Solution. The wavelength is given as 6 times 10 raised to the power of 8 Hz, and our speed of light recorded is 3 times 10 raised to the power of 8 meter per second, and we are asked to find the wavelength. Using the general equation of electromagnetic wave, we have C is equal to F wavelength, frequency times the wavelength. So therefore, what are we going to do here? We'll make the wavelength subject of formula. We'll have what? C all over F, which is the speed of light, all over the what? Frequency. So therefore, I'll be having 3 times 10 raised to the power of 8 meter per second divided by 6 times 10 raised to the power of 8 hertz. This will cancel this. What will be left with our answer? Our answer will be given as the wavelength is equal to 0.5 meter. So that's the correct answer to solve the wavelength of this problem given to us. Question number 2. An electromagnetic wave has a wavelength of 2 meters. Calculate its frequency. The last one, we are asked to calculate the wavelength. But this one, we are asked to calculate the frequency using that same equation, which is equal to what? C is equal to the frequency times the wavelength. And we are asked to calculate the what? Frequency. So we'll make F subject of formula. This will be C all over the wavelength. Recall that our C is equal to what? 3.0 times 10 raised to the power of 8 meter per second. So therefore, we're having 3 times 10 raised to the power of 8 divided by, what was the wavelength given us? 2. 3 times 10 raised to the power of 8 divided by 2. Our answer will be given as 1.5 times 10 raised to the power of 8 hertz. So that's the correct approach to solve that problem using this equation. So the next question, we'll be looking at question number 3. A radio station broadcasts at a frequency of 100 megahertz. Determine the wavelength of the radio wave. So you can see that we need to convert the wavelength in this particular problem because it's a 100 megahertz. And recall that mega is 10 raised to the power of what? 6. So therefore, solution. Let's dive into this calculation using the correct approach, which is what? C is equal to what? F wavelength. Now, what are we asking us to find here is the wavelength, which is our wavelength is now equal to what? The speed of light all over the what? The frequency. The speed of light is given as what? 3 times 10 raised to the power of what? 8 divided by, let's convert this 100 megahertz to what? Hertz. So 100 megahertz, if I convert it, I'll be having 100 times 10 raised to the power of what? 6 hertz. 100 times 10 raised to the power of what? 6. If I divide this fraction here, I'll be having 3.0 meter. as my answer. Please confirm and check if we are correct. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in our next video. Thank you.